Unit 32 from IN IFS is all about bonds and bonds market. So when it comes to the important subtopic, so here is one list. So first आपका which is bond valuation and theorems. In your book they have given 4 theorems. When you'll come to AFM there are many. So you have to prepare these particular one very well. The another one is primary dealer, and the most important one is RBI retail direct scheme, which allow individual or retailers to directly participate in this particular market. So let's practice some PYQs based on this particular topic. So the question was, consider the following statement regarding bond valuation and theorem. The first statement is the price of bond move the same direction as the market interest rate. So first statement is incorrect because there is an inverse relation between bond prices and interest rate. If bond prices will increase, interest rate will come down. If bond prices will decrease, interest rate will go up. So the first statement is wrong. Second, when the coupon rate equal to the market interest rate for a given maturity, the bond trade at the par value or the face value of the bond, 100% true. A bond with longer term to maturity will generally have higher price sensitivity to change market interest rate, true. Between two bonds with the same maturity, one with the lower coupon rate will show the greater fluctuation for the given change in interest. आपका 100% correct. The increase in the bond prices when interest rate fall by a given percentage is smaller. No, when it will be आपका higher, not smaller. Then the decrease in prices of the interest rate. No. So as per the theorem, this should be wrong. So means आपका 234 means option B will be right answer for this particular question. So here is आपका the bond prices increase when interest rate fall is a greater, not आपका smaller one. For more, subscribe. Thank you.